I'm here at Jub Jub's home in Enkelhof. Ngilana ka Jub Jub namhlanje because I've been violated to deliver a letter of demand which I communicated naye and he's not honoring to sign it. Jub Jub actually deserves a criminal case and into engiyifunayo imali yami. He runs around the country egijimisa abantu abajola 99 but yena ukoloda abantu 99. I've reached out to the channel hoping ukuthi they would link me to abo ex-repo and they told me ukuthi I have to handle the matter with him personally. I was told ukuthi these words come directly from the CEO of Moja Love because I had communicated my dissatisfaction with one of their senior managers. Jub Jub needed 50,000 to pay Uzinxumalo, who was coming to an event in which he was hosting in Mpumalanga, Ethula Mahash in December. And he promised me ukuthi I would get the money as soon as Compu Tickets pays back. Hayi ke ngimthembeke owamaswidi amaningi. Ngikhipha imali from my credit account which is 20,000. Ngithathe ne-20,000 enye ngiyibolekile ngimnikeze. Ukhumbuleke, these transactions were done in October. Hayi kusenjalo kibuya insizwa nge-30 zika November. Ithi hayi ngine-Grootman lana uzuma sokulento ye-MK. Bafo please ifuna kusebusuku awusende imali lapho ngidinga imali. Hayi nami ke ngokuphapha because I just got paid from my bonus money ngithatha 10,000 rand ngimsendele. Hayi ke imali yakhona kube u50,000 because imali ngiyithatha from i-credit isikhathi esingaka leyo yokuqala. I-credit accumulates. Ade hayi bafo ngizokunikeza seyinamasentshanyana phezulu. Hayi idlule ilanga le-event ngimcontact ubafo. Ubafaze nestory ukuthi awusalindi web ticket ibhadala. Ngithi ngiphinde ngimcontact abuye nestory ade hayi usezo unlock ama savings wakhe anginikeze. Hayi ngiphinde ngibuyele kuye ubafo athi hayi ulindi Moja Love ukuthi imbhadale. What breaks my heart kakhulu uzangisendele ne-proof of payment from Moja Love wrong suku phone call. I delete ngokuthi ngithi ngizocontacta iMoja Love le ngangisizanga. So I'm pleading with South Africans, can you please assist me to get back my money from this man? Jub Jub is not the man that we think he is. Limenemene elihlafuna nechepise court makabuyisa imali le ayikolotayo. Jub Jub then says in a phone call engaging with someone that I know, I've recorded this. He says, I don't know this girl or boy, what is he trying to do? I've been called a murderer. I've been called a rapist. He's proud that he's going to defeat me. What I'm coming with is just small waters. This guy has violated my constitutional right. And I'm going to expose him more. I have the proof. Let my money not come in by the 21st. And he feels himself. He says, I'm going to regret going to his home. Remember, I followed procedure and the law. He goes day in, day out, violating people's rights, ebashuta without their consent. I did not do anything out of the law. I followed the law. And if he wants to threaten me or bring it on the ground or do whatever, I will react proportionally to whatever that he does and in accordance with the law. And trust me, I am not intimidated. I am not afraid, and I will never be afraid. No matter what your family history is, no matter what history you hold, I will not back down.